Welcome to my channel. How to factory reset Linksys router. Power on the router. Ensure your Linksys router is plugged into a power source and turned on. The indicator lights should be active. Locate the reset button. Find the small, recessed reset button on the back or bottom of the router. It is typically labeled reset. Use a paperclip or pin. Get a paperclip or a pin that can fit into the reset button hole. Press and hold the reset button. Insert the paperclip or pin and press the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Hold it until the router's lights start blinking or turn off and on again. Release the button. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the reset button. The router will begin the factory reset process. Wait for the router to reboot. Allow the router a couple of minutes to fully reset and reboot. The lights on the router will stabilize once the process is complete. Reconnect to the router. On your computer or smartphone, reconnect to the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID, which might be printed on the router label. Access the router settings. Open a web browser and type 192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local into the address bar to access the router's admin interface. Log in with default credentials. Use the default username and password, often admin for both, or check the router's label to log in. Reconfigure the router. Follow the setup instructions to reconfigure the router settings, including setting a new Wi-Fi network name and password. Thanks for watching.